Serena frequently refers to the list of editorial board members in the journal because these are often reputable and senior researchers that are loyal to the journal, and hence may be willing to do the occasional review. Editorial board members are provided with this reviewer role type in Editorial Manager. Serena would like to perform a search on the editorial board members and selects the option Search for Reviewers from Search My Publication and chooses the editorial board member reviewer role in the second drop-down menu. She then clicks on Go to select her criteria for searching the list of editorial board members. Serena types into the value box the name William Chen because she knows he would be a good candidate to review this submission based on his expertise. Serena clicks on the search button to reveal the results. She can then invite him or set him up as an alternate in the usual way. And that's how to identify and invite reviewers using the editorial board member search. Check out Editor's Update for more tips and tricks on how to get the most from Editorial Manager.